Go.
So first, we need to review the doctor's order. So upon reviewing the doctor's order, it is better, like we should avoid mistake towards our patient. So right next is we need to go to the patient's room. So don't forget to knock. So good morning, ma'am. I'm actually here to request for the date, name, or your name. So sige, page ito na kita. When is your birthday? Okay. So ma'am, if we may ask, do you have any allergies for anything in latex? So if no, ma'am, I'm right here doing the catheter because to remove your urine that is stored in your ureter. So ma'am, if it getting worse, if our urine will not going out, urine has many infections and can cause severe complications. So right after is provide privacy. So upon providing privacy is ensure the room that is cerrado. So right after is do the when you're cleaning. Cover. We need to place it. We need to position the patients in the bottom position because it is the most comfortable position. So next, we're gonna so right after is we're gonna check the materials, and after checking the materials, we will promote the medical hand washing. So after medical hand washing, do the clean gloving. Right next is prepare the liquid solution. So we should avoid like balik-balik, like avoid infections. Sexual means center. Okay, expose. So clean that. So upon cleaning, wash. Dispose. So after disclose, then throw it in the garbage right away. So actually, garbage today. So right after also is remove the gloves. Remove them on the leg. Okay, change it because pasak naman siya, it is wet. So, magical, maglabay na siya. Then remove the gloves. After removing the gloves, is apply sa nalbalikani. after is do the wash hands, body para clean, maintain the cleanliness. After is do the open gloving. Prepare the materials also in the inner thigh. So ano naman siya sa inner thigh? Because to make to lessen the activity atau di atau kaya oras. So ensure the sterility. Sterile, avoid cross-contamination, sterilization. Just after this, we need to check for the balloon. Check para maato siyang ma-notice if like if the catheter is not damaged or something. So the cleanliness inject. So assuming that now showing like this spot is sterile. So okay, as you see, like the catheter is okay. After checking the balloon is we insert the tube. So let's ensure that the tube is heavy locked, because there are some cases like the patient is moving due to pain, and for us to avoid like di siya so let's turn. So after is we apply lubrication. So pag-unit sa nato ato siya ensure lubrication. So 10 centimeters for the girls. Inserting. So mas maayong i-advance dyan always. Okay. Then after is inject. Para dili siya mag-get out. Yung indication na ni guys, hindi namin ito, hindi siya maibot. So, right after is proceed tayo sa male. So, male na ta. So, hold the penis perpendicularly. Siya penis guys. So, ito siya hold perpendicularly. So, so hold perpendicularly. So after this, inject the we should put the lubricating gel. I will smooth. Okay. So same thing happens. Ingay dyan siya. Okay. Abot na siya. Ito siyang inject na talong. Okay. Our indication still guys, if inigdila na to, or inipol na to, hindi siya matangtang. Okay, try na siya guys. So, sige. We're done with the mail. Balik na sa bearings. Let's start na. So the catheter bag should be placed under the bed because there are some cases which is our patient should for to maintain the stable of the catheter bag. So let's place then the tape. Siya tapean guys, para di siya mo-remove. So remove also some gloves since damage. Kaya additionally close is remove just once. Done siya all paper also. So let's do the ano sa like remove sa FDC. So pag-remove sa ato siya remove. So same thing ato siya paano siya ito? Then so pull na to this. So done siya. So ato siya ngayon pag let's do this extract sa FBC para hindi ma-contaminated ang hairs because FBC is hugaw. So lastly, if done siya, provide patients comfort and don't forget your privacy kapag. So ma'am, if there are any concern, I'm not on our station, then yeah, may leave your door. Then lastly is do aftercare.